If you have leftover mashed potatoes, you're going to want to make these patties. They're so good, you're going to want extra mashed potatoes just so you can make them. For every 2 cups of mashed potatoes you have, you're going to use 1 egg and a bunch of spices. Here we go. We've got 1 egg, green onions, parsley, parmesan, hot banana peppers, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix it all up. With freshly washed hands and slightly damp, I'm going to take this much, about 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to shape it into a patty. While we're shaping these, let's get our fry pan nice and hot. Our patties are all formed. Our oil is nice and hot. Place that in the frying pan. We're giving a little dusting of flour so that we get that nice crusty, crispy coating on the outside. Flip them over and cook until brown on the other side. It won't take long. Do a couple of pans worth because you don't want to crowd the pan. You want to get that nice crispy. So here's the first batch. There goes the second batch. And then lickety split, you'll be done. Beautiful, golden, crispy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside. You're going to want to make these.